Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to share with you a few updated Jeffree Star things I recently got. Me and one of my best friends ordered the same jacket in the hot pink. I was gonna get baby pink, but me and her were like, well, she's like, what about, you know, stains and stuff like that? And I totally agree. So I just got this recently, and I am super excited to use this during the winter if we have an actual winter. I would like to wear this as I do this video. I just want to be super careful. I did order that through Beautylish, and it came in this gorgeous box with this amazing paper. Look at that. Look at that packaging paper. Oh my gosh. On top of that, I always have my email on there because I order a lot of The Ordinary through there for skincare. They're always sold out of two specific items I usually get. I use the Niacinamide at night. If you ever want to see my beauty skincare routine, I have previously recorded it, but I'm totally willing to do it again. So I use that every single day. I do have the toner through The Ordinary. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I have used it and it's pretty good. But this I use morning and night. So this is The Ordinary Argiline. I use this, it is for around your eyes. So I put it right around here and up in here and on the forehead for the forehead lines. This is sold out so much. It retails for, I believe, $7.80. I have to put my email in for them to notify me. So anyways, I picked up two for the price is unbeatable, and it says targets the appearance of dynamic facial lines. You get 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce for $7.80, which is remarkable. And then they sent me a little trial size, which they usually do. Beautylicious, phenomenal, you guys. I love them. Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion from R Plus Company. Never heard of them, but I will keep it. Try that out. So that was it from Beautylish. I like to save big items like Natasha Denona items from there because you can do 3 monthly payments without any credit checks or anything like that. No interest or anything. So I really like to save a big palette I know is coming out, like the upcoming one I'm gonna so get. My hair is in a bun, by the way. I just kind of like threw it up. So I got these. These are not from Beautylish, but they are on Beautylish. I got them from the Morphe store. The reason I got them from there is because I wanted to swatch. Jeffree Star came out with, I believe, 6 or 8 liquid highlighters. I don't remember now. It was one of the two. And the amazing swatches he did were absolutely just, when he just let it drip down on his arm and his hand, it was just like, oh my God, gorgeous, right? But then a lot of them, I was thinking, well, there's just no way I can pull that off. It was just super dark. And I think it is phenomenal that he came out with such a shade range. And I really appreciate that. But I wanted to go in and find the right colors for me. So I went into my local Morphe, I'm fortunate to have. And me and a worker there, she was very nice to help me out. Agreed Canary, Bling, and Goddess were probably the two best fitting. And I'm going to take my jacket off because if these spill in any way, oh my goodness, I will not be a happy camper. And I'm just not willing to try that. So there is the jacket. Okay, so we are going to apply these together and see how well they go on the skin. if they leave, you know, streaks, show my fine lines. I love how it is like a frosted glass. It feels very heavy duty. It is $25 a piece. You get a total of, that says shake well before use. So let's see here, probably a 1 milliliter. Yeah, 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml. Sorry, I said that opposite. Here is Canary Bling. And then here is Goddess. So they do follow along the lines of his powder pressed highlighters. I believe most of them are like, you know, the same as those, but now they're in a liquid form. Now, don't quote me on that. I don't think all of them are, but I know for a fact that some of them are, because I have Goddess. And I believe I think I have Canary Bling, but a lot of them, I did realize it's at the store, are in the pressed highlighter. So if you have those already and you're not a big liquid highlighter fan, you may not care to get these. But these might be, you know, way more blingy and up my alley. So we're gonna go in with Goddess first. So this part comes up, and I'm gonna use my beauty sponge for this. I'm gonna go in just with the tip. I need to replace, I have like a bunch of replacements put away. I don't know why I haven't done it. I just keep cleaning this and using it. I clean it every day, so yeah. No worries. I am, yes, very conscious of cleaning it. I have 1 drop. So when you do it, you just push the top down and you get 1 drop. So that's kind of cool. It kind of controls the amount. I'm going to go on the outer. Whoa. The outer. This is going, I think I have too much. But let's just see how it blends. This blended very well when I swatched it, so I think it'll be alright. If you can see that blend. See that? Whoa. That blended in really, really good. You do not get a discount. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, but these you do not. I tried. But oh my gosh, this blend, did you see how dark it went from dark to like a real light bronze? It's just right. I am so into fall already. Like, I have my pumpkin color on from Kylie already. Okay, so that is Goddess. See how dark it looks? But do you see how it blended out? I think it blended perfectly into the skin. I don't see it emphasizing my fine lines, anything, my pores or nothing. Has a little bit of shimmer, but it might be a little bit of glitter in there. It doesn't look like it though. Well, maybe it is because I see specks right there. Now we're gonna go into Canary Bling, which is the much lighter shade. This is gorgeous. This is like a champagne gold. Just 1 pump did all this. Like, definitely don't need more than 1 pump. Now this one I'm taking a little bit higher on the cheekbone up here. This is, wow, all I can say is beautiful. And this has kind of shifts of color. If you really, really look at my bright ass forehead now, shifts of like almost pink going through. Can even put it right here. Oh, that is just stunning. Okay, I have to say, let's see the shifts on my nose. A little bit of pink. But did you see how well that blends in? Like, wow, gorgeous. Now I have it on my lips. That is stunning. Oh, wow. I am blown away. I'm just... Okay, so I went and found the matching pressed highlighter because I want to show you, but I could not find Goddess. So I don't believe, maybe all of them do not follow his pressed highlighters, but some of them do. I did find Canary Bling, which is this one right here in the Glacier set, the pressed one. That is the pressed highlighter, and then this is Canary Bling and the liquid. And I'm going to show it to you side by side. This, of course, is going to be much more powerful. I have to say, I am really shocked. I am not a big liquid slash stick highlighter fan. I don't typically like the way sometimes they leave a line here, or they settle into my pores. They emphasize my fine lines, but these actually melted in the skin, and Goddess looked like it was going to be really, really dark, but it looks perfect, and I am really, honestly, very pleased with these. I will be using these a lot. You can also take the pressed palettes. I have as individual ones as well. I believe, I think Dark Horse is in a liquid, I believe, and King Tut, they were just too dark, it seemed like, but I could be wrong. I could be way off, but you can take the pressed highlighters and go over it and get even more of a bam highlight. But I have to say, Jeffree Star knocked it out of the park. These are absolutely phenomenal. And do I think you need to get them if you have his pressed highlighters? I would say I would try one, because I am very, very impressed with them. I really am. I'm just shocked, because I thought I was going to say, well, you know, I already have all his press, and these were just okay, but I am shocked. I absolutely love these. They melted right in the skin. They do have a little bit of shimmer, but I don't feel like glitter on my skin. It's very smooth. You just see like shifts of color, and I love them. I'm so happy with them. I'm so glad I got them. I may even pick up a different shade here and there, but I give his liquid highlighters A++. Phenomenal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye.